My name is Greg Vesely, and I'm one of the directors at Heal Our Land. Heal Our Land is a nonprofit that's very unique in the way that it functions. And the way that it functions is we have different HVAC companies that feed into the nonprofit that turn around and help people and fund ministry work. One of the things that we're really excited about is our partnership with Awaken. And Awaken is a group that helps women out of human trafficking. Last year, because of our funding, we were able to help 150 women out of human trafficking. It's pretty amazing. And the work continues as we continue to support them financially through prayer and many different ways. We also partner with CityServe, and CityServe is an organization that helps communities by meeting their needs. Last year, we helped over 3,000 families that were struggling during the fires in Northern California and also Oregon by getting supplies and needs to those families that are in need. So we helped fund that. Also, Fostering Compassion, which connects the foster care system to the church. We're involved in all kinds of different projects, not just those type of projects, but also projects like helping build schools. Building schools that are faith-based schools that help our children to have their needs met. And what I mean by their needs met is social and emotional learning, everything from a biblical worldview, and also understanding who they are in Christ, their identity. So we're helping develop these schools and funding those schools and making it affordable for the average person. We also have our hands in all kinds of different things where we see opportunity and we go ahead and meet that opportunity to further kingdom, which is God's rule and reign in people's lives. So we're very unique as how we function as a nonprofit. We're really excited about what God's doing. We're really excited that we're not just the nonprofit, but we're part of a bigger family. Again, we partner with Home Comfort USA, Air Pro, Island Comfort. They all feed into this nonprofit because we've learned something. If you want to go somewhere faster, you go alone. But if you want to go further, you go together. It's an old African proverb that's very important to us because it's about moving things forward for God's kingdom. Thank you for joining us, and we're looking forward with this partnership, and come and be with us, and we will talk next time.